Google reviews are one of the strongest trust signals your business has. They influence your ranking, your credibility, and whether a customer calls you or your competitor. Having a direct review link makes collecting them much easier and faster. I'm Olaf from MarketlyX. We have helped dozens of businesses increase their reviews significantly, and the ones that grew their review count fastest all had one thing in common. They made it as easy as possible for customers to leave reviews. In this video, I will show you exactly where to find your Google review link and how to use it to start collecting reviews immediately. But before we start, there is one thing you need to keep in mind. Sending someone to Google and asking them to leave a review is one of the most common mistakes businesses make. Most customers want to help, but don't know where to go. They search, get confused, and give up. A direct review link removes every barrier. One click and they are exactly where they need to be. Once you have this link, you can use it in multiple ways. You can send it directly to customers after a job is done, create QR codes from it and place it at your front desk, on receipts or on thank you cards, or use systems that automatically ask your customers for reviews. The more accessible you make it, the more reviews you will collect. Let's start with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and log into the Google account connected to your Google business profile. Once logged in, go to business.google.com, and at this stage you will see one of two things. If you land on a page showing a Businesses tab open, select the profile you want to manage. If you are taken directly to your business profile dashboard, you can continue. Once you are inside your profile dashboard, click on the Ask for Reviews button. Now a new window opens showing your unique review link. This is the direct link you will share with customers. Anyone who clicks it will be taken straight to the review screen for your business. You can simply click on the copy button to copy it to your clipboard. As you can see, finding your review link takes under a minute. Using it consistently is what turns happy customers into visible proof that builds trust for every future customer who finds you on Google. If you would like more guidance on optimizing or managing your profile, we have included useful resources, tools, and links in the description below. And if you would like expert help, you will find details on how to work with us there as well. Otherwise, check out our Google Business Profile playlist for a step-by-step tutorial that walks you through the entire process. See you soon.